Hi everybody, it's Blaze at the Fort Myers Auto Mall. I'm giving you kind of a rare look here at the back of our dealership. On the other side of this building is our showroom and also our display lot, where we have all the cars that are cleaned up, shined up, mechanically reconditioned, and ready to go. The reason why I'm showing you this back here is because this is the area that makes us different than other dealers. If you look around, you'll see quite a few cars here that are not ready for retail yet, because we haven't gone through them and checked them out to make sure that they're mechanically 100%. Now, what do I mean by that? Your brakes, your tires, your air conditioning, your engine, your transmission, all the assorted parts of your car that need to be checked out before you take delivery of the car. Buying a used car is enough of a risk as it is, and what we try to do here at the Fort Myers Auto Mall is take as much of that risk as we can away from you. So when you take this car home and you go to drive it to work, everything works the way it should be and you don't have any worries. Now if you take a look here, there's one of our lifts. Moving over, there's a second lift. And over there in the corner, there's a third lift. We have 3 lifts. Most car dealers have none. They also have no mechanics. We happen to have 3 very qualified guys. They have many years of experience and they can fix just about anything. So I just wanted to mention to you this because this is something that can definitely benefit any customer. Right now we were running a little bit of a special coming into the summertime with a $69 AC evac and recharge. Now what does that mean? It means that we take the refrigerant out of your AC system, we pull it all out, and then we recharge it with fresh refrigerant. We make sure that it has a proper level in it, and we also make sure that it's operating at the right temperature for you so that you don't have any issues with cooling that car off in the hot Florida summer days. This machine here is a Robinair. It's kind of the industry standard as far as what's required to use. We invest in these kinds of machines so that we can effectively take care of everybody's car. Well, thanks for your time and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.